Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create the schedules for Philips AC4236. To do this, first we'll need to select our device inside Philips AirPlus app, then navigate all the way down and click on the calendar right here, or if you can't see it, go for device settings, and inside there's a scheduled power on off. Click on that as well, and here we'll be able to create our new schedule. You'll be able to activate it for certain days of the week, or just select everything if you want. Then we can change the start time, behavior to power it on or off at that time. In this case we're gonna go with power on, and then change the mode between all of the options available. So we're gonna go with the sleep. Click on done, and here's our schedule. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.